Hello, my name is Justice. I am here from SWAT, North Mason High School's help desk, to teach you how to use the accessibility options on your Microsoft applications. Now, let's say you're typing a Word document. Let's say some sort of paper that you're giving to somebody, right? Let's say we're telling Derek, hey Derek, I'm just going to say Eric, because I don't know how to spell Derek. Eric, would you please print this photo? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Alright, now to access our accessibility options, you want to check your, you want to go to review, right here, review, go to check accessibility, and this will open up this neat little window. Now it says it's accessible to people that are blind, deaf, and so on and so on. Now let's say I was to add a photo to this mix. There we go. Now this is the photo he will be printing. Now when I recheck the accessibility, it will say there are errors. This picture needs a description for blind people. Now I will simply click on this, go to Format, Alt Text, Alternative Text, click on that, then you'll add a title, right? So I will simply title it Pirate at Laptop. And you will describe the picture, as in the picture details a pirate sitting at a laptop. That will be the alternative text for the photo. Now when I recheck it, it is now accessible to blind people, deaf people, and so on. So that is how you use the accessibility feature for Word, and for other documents it will be the same way. It will simply put up little icons like this, how to improve accessibility, such as alt text and other things, and it will simply just walk you through it, so it isn't that hard. That's about it. So stay tuned for the next episode of App Reviews with Justice Mayberry from SWAT, North Mason High School Help Desk.